In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust camera brightness in Microsoft Teams. If your camera looks too dark or the lighting on your face doesn't look quite right before joining a meeting, Microsoft Teams has a simple built-in setting that can help. This is especially useful if you're in a room with uneven lighting, sitting in front of a window, or using a webcam that needs a little extra help to make the image clearer. To get started, go to the preview call screen in Microsoft Teams. This is the screen you normally see before joining a meeting, where you can check your camera and microphone. It's a good place to make changes because you can immediately preview how your video will look before anyone else sees it. Once you're on that preview screen, look for the video icon. Next to it, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open the camera options menu. This menu gives you access to additional video controls beyond just turning your camera on or off. From that menu, click on More Video Settings. This will open a panel with extra camera-related options that can help improve how you appear on screen. Depending on your device and Teams version, the layout may look slightly different, but the option time should be the same or very similar. In the Video Settings area, find the option to adjust brightness and turn it on. Once you toggle it on, Teams will automatically help brighten your camera image. You should be able to see the change in your preview right away, which makes it easy to decide if the setting gives you a better result. If the image still doesn't look ideal, try slightly changing your position in the room or facing a light source more directly. The brightness adjustment can improve visibility, but it works best when combined with decent lighting in your space. Even a small change in where you sit can make a big difference. That's all it takes to adjust camera brightness in Microsoft Teams. It's a quick setting, but it can make your video look much more professional and easier for others to see during meetings. If you regularly join calls from different locations, it's a good habit to check your preview before entering the meeting so you can make these small adjustments ahead of time. And that's how to adjust camera brightness in Microsoft Teams.